Hello everybody, welcome back. So I know I'm looking a little funky right now, but that's okay, we're gonna fix it. Today we are going to be doing a first impressions on an eyebrow product, which I am so aggressively excited about. For anybody with an odd color hair, whether it be a naturally occurring odd color hair or not naturally occurring odd color hair, y'all know it's difficult to get something good for your eyebrows. Now, y'all know I preach about the Just for Redheads products for if you're a redhead like me and have a weird colored red, right? Because my red, of course, right, is not normal. Sorry, I had to fix my ponytail. Obviously, it is difficult for me to find a color that suits my hair. Y'all know I preach about the Just for Redhead stuff because that stuff actually matches my hair color. I wanted to try something new because I know not everybody wants to need to order their eyebrow products, especially when they can buy the rest of their stuff in store or all in one place, whatever. So that being said, we are going to be trying out the newly launched Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 2.75. Now the Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Gimme Brow have been around for a hot second now. However, they didn't have a color that suited redheads very well. They had, I don't remember what color they had. I think it was 3 that was the closest to red. But a lot of brands try to put redheads in like a taupe color, which just makes us look really weird because there's no blonde there. There is no blonde. It works just fine for more of the strawberry red, but if you're like a true red like this, it's rough. So they came out with 2.75, which is apparently the perfect auburn. Now I did notice when swatching these in the store, because I work at Ulta, so I was there when we put out the new colors and changed the planogram for that, and it was great. I swatched the Gimme Brow version of this color, the Precisely My Brow. I was gonna originally go with the Gimme Brow, but when I swatched it, I noticed that the Gimme Brow was ever so slightly more brown and darker. And for my hair type, that just doesn't work. I went with the Precisely My Brow. I'm kind of scared because I am terrible at eyebrows. I'm hoping that this works. I'm really gonna wing it because I'm terrible at eyebrows. With the Precisely My Brow, you get one side, which is a spoolie, and then one side, which is the very, very thin pencil. On Ulta.com, the Precisely My Brow pencil retails for $24. It now comes in 12 shades, so you should be able to find something. Yeah, you get 0.002 ounces of product in the Precisely My Brow pencil, so there's not a lot in here. However, hopefully it's amazing and perfect that I will want to repurchase it. So I'm just gonna go through and brush through my brows with the spoolie that comes on the other end. Let's just get into it. So, I'm gonna get real close. I mean, right off the bat, the color's not too bad. I'm gonna go in with the spoolie side and kind of try to brush out the front here because I did a terrible job. Okay, so besides me doing an absolutely terrible job on it, that's my brow. I will work on doing brows better, I promise. Honestly, it's not too bad. I think for me, it's a bit dark because I naturally have thicker, darker eyebrows. However, I think if your brows are a little bit more sparse than mine, I think if you have a hair color similar to mine, this may be perfect. That's what it looks like against my hair. I'm actually not mad at it. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my other brow real quick and then we'll come back. So right off the bat, this brow is significantly less terrible. Get a close up of the brow. I'm not mad at it. My eyebrows are thick right now, excuse me. They're thick with like 7 C's. This all being said, I'm not mad at it. I'm really not. I think for me, it'll take some getting used to have like more defined brows. I think I could get used to it. I definitely need to get used to doing brows. I need to learn how to do it less terribly. I'm not mad at it. It's a pretty good red. I think it's definitely more of a true auburn than a red. My hair isn't, from what I've been told at least, my hair isn't like a normal redhead red. My brows look bold, sis. I definitely look forward to trying this more after I've gotten my brows waxed. This is what it looks like when my brows have gone way longer than they should from being waxed. So, I mean, honestly, I'm not mad at it. I definitely look forward to seeing how this wears. I don't have a problem with my eyebrows wearing off just because I have relatively thick brows, as you can see. And so I don't really have a problem with it wearing off. It does say it's 12-hour wear. So take that as you will for those of you whose brows do wear off. Is this Redhead approved? I think so. I think it is. I think if you're more of a true auburn hair color with more brown in it, I think this is gonna be like the best thing ever for you. But for like red hair, it does work. Like, it looks normal. It looks pretty close to my usual eyebrow color, which is red. So I think I definitely need to play with it a little bit. I need to be less terrible at eyebrows because right now I look like 2008 eyebrows. So there's that for you. But I like it. I feel like this is gonna be a pretty quick video. However, I just wanted to tell you guys that this happened. Those are my thoughts. I will put the link to this down in the description below so you guys can see that. I will also put the link for this makeup tutorial, depending on which goes up first. But I did a makeup tutorial for this springy look. So I haven't finished it, obviously. I don't have any lips, but for these eyes, love it. So anyway, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of my disaster of content. And if you ring the bell, if you would like to see it as soon as I upload it. I upload every Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.